Good day, it's Dan Beary from Remax North San Antonio. Hey, another how-to video. I'm out here at one of my buyers. They have a contract on this property. I just want to show you what curb appeal is not appealing. As you can see over here, they haven't mowed the grass in a while. They're out of state. They don't have anybody taking care of the yard. Turn around over here, as you can see, the front yard over here is not taken care of either. As we look down here, the trees aren't watered and stuff like that. So this is the small stuff that you need to pay attention to when you're going to list your house. If you're not going to be at the house, you need to have someone taking care of the yard. That's it for this one. I'll see you next time.